because we have started this website basically to just know people. People should be able to know what is spirituality in a very lucid and easy way. Because as long as spirituality is concerned, people just have got their own ideas and own concepts about it, which are just based on all those things which are very, very theoretical. And people never have indulged themselves so seriously inside it. So as far as the first book, the first Last Pilgrimage itself will help people to just get introduced to the subject properly. Those who are the seekers can get a good curtain raiser for all those things, and those who have proceeded very nicely ahead on the path can get a good clear-cut blink of bliss on those things. That has been the purpose. Because spirituality always people means there's saffron-clad cloths and big hair and these things, people sitting there, everybody in a very orthodox atmosphere. This has not to do nothing with those things. And some people just mix up really religiousness and the social being, everything with spirituality. Spirituality is just being with yourself. How much true you are up to yourself, it should be elaborated. That is called spirituality. अध्यात्म म्हणजे आपण आपल्याशीच फक्त प्रामाणिक राहण्याचा प्रकार आहे ऍक्च्युली. लोकांना वाटतं अध्यात्मामध्ये ते भगवे कपडे आणि ते वाढलेले केस आणि ह्याचा हा फक्त ऐक्यू गोष्टींवरतीच अध्यात्म लोकांना आजपर्यंत कळलेलं आहे. तर आपला या वेबसाईटमध्ये आणि याच्यातनं हाच उद्देश आहे की लोकांपर्यंत या गोष्टी नीट गेल्या पाहिजेत. कारण किंवा आता असं होतं की लोकांना वाटतं अध्यात्म आहे का स्पिरिच्युअलिटी दॅट मीन्स इट इज मेंट फॉर ओल्ड पीपल. इट इज नॉट दॅट. In the sports or in any way, in education you say that catch them young. I say in spirituality also you have to catch them young. And if you start at a younger age, you have a better scope to go and complete the pilgrimage.
Actually, common perception असं फार विचित्र असतं स्पिरिच्युअलिटीच्या बाबतीत. म्हणजे असं परपेच्युअल असं कॉमन परसेप्शन असतं.
आणि ही परसेप्शन्स आहेत नाही फक्त लोकांच्या ऐकण्यावरनं, कोणीतरी बोलण्यावरनं आणि जस्ट काय लोक सिनेमात, नाटकात, सिरियलमध्ये बघतात त्याच्यावरून आधारित आहेत. ॲक्च्युअली स्पिरिच्युअलिटी म्हणजे काही नसून यू हॅव गॉट टू बी ट्रू टू युअर सेल्फ. Beyond your body and mind, you should be able to remain with your soul. And how much you are to yourself, actually. Just being to yourself. That is basically meant for spirituality. And in spirituality also, age, if you, as Vivekananda says, if you start at a young age, it's always better. Because at an older age, your physical health may not be in a good condition. And leading all your normal lives also, you can just seek on the spiritual path. It doesn't mean that for the spiritual seeker, you have to leave everything. And as you go at an advanced rate on the path, you may be required to follow certain restrictions for a certain period, which is for your well-being. But that time it won't be a problem. Just now you need not think about it. One has to just start off first.
When you understand why the restrictions,
why they are there, and then you can accept it. And spirituality is a very easy and a simple way to live your life daily. Spirituality cannot be taken out different from your day-to-day livings. There is nothing as a spiritual life is different from other. Spirituality is totally mixed with all the things. आपण उगाच अध्यात्म काहीतरी वेगळं काढून ते वेगळं आहे आणि ते काय होतं की प्रत्येकाला माणूस मी अध्यात्मामध्ये म्हणजे मी कोणतरी वेगळा आहे असं दाखवायचा पण प्रयत्न करतो. आणि प्रत्येकाला तो वेगळेपणा हवा असतो म्हणूनच लोक सगळं करत राहतात. तर तसं नसून आपण इतक्या सहजपणे वागू शकतो आणि तुम्ही आध्यात्मिक आहात हे लोकांना जाणवलं पाहिजे. हे तुम्हाला सांगायची गरज नाही पडली. अध्यात्म हा बोलायचा विषय नसून ती एक पद्धत आहे की त्यामुळे तुम्ही जगायला शिकला आणि तुमच्या रोजच्या ऍक्टमध्ये तुम्ही तसं वागलात तर तुम्हाला त्या गोष्टी चांगल्या मिळतात. आणि हे पुस्तक लिहिण्यामागे किंवा ह्या पुढे आणताना याचा उद्देश तेवढाच आहे की हा विषय नीटपणे आता नवीन पिढी जी आहे त्यांच्यापर्यंत हा नीट पोहोचला पाहिजे. आता आपल्या देशामध्ये पूर्वी जेव्हा गुरुकुल पद्धती होती तेव्हा सगळं शिस्तीमध्ये काम चालू होतं. पण आता पुढे आपल्यावर जी अतिक्रमणं झाली, आक्रमणं झाली त्यामध्ये आपला संस्कृती जी आहे मूळची ती थोडीफार टिकली आहे, थोडीफार मिक्स झाली आहे. त्यामुळे लोकांना आता परफेक्टली काहीच कळत नाही की काय आणि काय नाही. त्यात आता हा जसा कलियुगाचा महिमा आहे की व्यवहाराला नको इतकं महत्व व्हायला लागलं. पीपल आर इंडल्जिंग इन द मटेरियलिस्टिक मॅटर सो मच दॅट दे जस्ट गेट लॉस्ट इन टू इट. And once they lose their peace, they try to think of something else. In spite of that, if everybody starts with the same thing and bearing in the mind that he has to got some peaceful ways to live the life, that can be through spirituality.
लोकांना रिनन्सिएशनचं पण असं विचित्र हे असतं म्हणजे स्पिरिच्युअलिस्ट म्हणजे फक्त सगळं सोडूनच द्यायचं असं जे लोकांचं कॉमन परसेप्शन झालेलं आहे ना
ते एकदम रॉंग आहे. टू नो पीपल शुड अंडरस्टँड इन द राईट परसेप्शन, दे शुड गो ऑन द राईट पाथ and should try to seek themselves always at that time whenever they start. And in this stage it's very good if you can start at young, but it is never late. You can start at any time. And the joy and the peacefulness of living in yourself is the greatest thing actually. Beyond your body and mind, you need some time to be with your soul to understand the actual life what it is. Because there is no end for the materialistic world. You can just go on, go on, go on like a machine. Then you yourself will become a machine in it. Again, not resting in peace, because your peace doesn't lie in materialism, is the fact of life. And which can be acknowledged and which can be judged only if you start seeking something different. And if you try to know that this doesn't lie in the material thing. Again, it is needed that one should be able to live an unconditionally happiness and this state of mind continuously should be able to maintain it, and for which there is no other alternative than spirituality. आणि म्हणून जे लोकांना नेहमी प्रश्न पडतात की अध्यात्म म्हणजे काय, म्हणतात असं आहे का, तसं आहे का, संन्यास घ्यायला पाहिजे का, सगळं सोडून द्यायला पाहिजे का, तर असं काही नाहीये. पण फक्त तुम्ही काही काळात तरी दिवसासाठी दिला पाहिजे आणि ठरवलं पाहिजे बाबा आपण दिवसभरात किती प्रामाणिकपणे वागलो. How much sincere you have been to yourself and how much true you have been to yourself. I do not say that you confess everything and go out, but just see what has been the reality in your life during the daytime. Because as I always say, when you are born, the parents, they are very happy. Everybody is happy when the child is born. Then they start creating their own images. They try to build up the child is brought up and born with the images that parents have in their own mind. As the child grows up, then he starts having his own image. Then he starts liking certain images for himself. Then he will again keep building upon the images only. And this image building goes on throughout perpetually, so that you are never in a position to understand the reality, actually what you are. And because there is no time, because nobody will, you will sometimes just feel that something is going wrong somewhere. But again you will be in the same stream and following the same way and following the same course, which may be wrong enough. But you don't understand, you don't realize it. And by the time of realization, you see they have made lot of mistakes and you are away. जसं मी नेहमी लोकांना सांगतो की आपण आरशासमोर सुद्धा प्रत्येक माणूस उभा राहिला ना, तो सारखा आरशात का बघत असतो की त्याला एका विशिष्ट अँगलने सुद्धा चेहरा त्याला हवा तसा दिसतो. जसा चेहरा जवळ त्याचं समाधान होत नाही तोवर तो आरशासमोर उभा राहतो. तर प्रॅक्टिकली यू आर नॉट हॅपी टिल यू सी द इमेज दॅट यू वॉन्ट. Mirror is mirror. He will just show what is in front of him. But still, even in the mirror, you cannot judge yourself, because he will sometimes give a real image. Sometimes the image is a virtual image, and everybody likes to see the virtual image. So first of all, you have to come from the virtual image to a real image, and from real image to reality. That is the thing which a spiritual seeker is always after. And as I told you, there is nothing to declare as such, nothing to live as usual, the normal course of life what you are leading. Just try to judge yourself and how much you can go in the way. Because it is a journey, as I say, it is a pilgrimage. So, you are given the privilege. You can take it when you want actually. And how you want. Because every time you don't go out continuously, same is the way. But you should, sometimes you should try to indulge yourself seriously into the matter. Some people may go daily, some may do weekly, some may monthly, as you find the time. And an everlasting peace, daily rest in your mind. पूर्ण एकदम शांतता जी आहे ना संपूर्ण माणसाला, एक प्रसन्नता, आनंद आणि शांतता आहे. आता ही शांतता कशी आहे की तेव्हा तुम्ही तुमच्या आत्म्याबरोबर संवाद साधू शकता आणि तुम्ही त्या अवस्थेमध्ये राहता. काही काळ तुमचं मन, बुद्धी सगळे बाजूला सारू शकता. त्याच वेळेला अनुभव होऊ शकतो.